Usually, what happens is that I take my time to do things. I believe that I'm a perfectionist. When I'm stressed about something, usually you don't understand the thing which I'm stressed about.
What I can feel the major issue here is communication, where you're not telling me things and where I want to probe into you.
There's a
I would
deeper
sleep.
meaning behind it.
There's no deeper meaning behind it.
I feel that I'm the most emotionally safe whenever I want to talk to you about something.
See, I'm always open for a talk, but you hardly come to you up.
If you had to write a tagline for our family WhatsApp group, what would it be?
It's already there, mom's the boss.
What you do is that you're very expressive, so sometimes your expressions make me laugh.
So is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's an enjoyable thing.
What happens when a parent and a teenager stop playing roles and just talk? No filters, no fixing, no distractions. Just real questions, real silences, and a conversation that was long overdue. Between brackets is a space where stories come out, emotions come up, and connections get real. Watch closely, you might learn something about your family or yourself.
Hi, I'm Shaurya. I'm currently in grade 12th studying science at Royal Global School. My hobbies are reading, going out, watching movies, traveling. I am doing this because I thought it would be fun to talk to my mother about our relation and just to explore.
Same here. I am Neha. I am a home baker and a mother of 2 teens. So it's a rough ride, but yes, sailing through and doing this because, of course, it is a good platform to know more about your relation, dive deeper into it.
What's something you think I handle better than you did at my age?
So what I think you handle better is stress. Where I've seen your friends and other kids go haywire, you will calmly sit and work it out and actually not create a fuss about it. You will silently, even though you're stressed, you'll not show it on your face or your voice.
So, did you take stress when you were at my age?
Yeah, of course. I gave stress mostly, I think, to my parents. I was a rebel child. More on him, I guess. But yes, you can handle stress very well. When do you feel like I'm being too hard on you, even if my intention is to support you?
Usually what happens is that I take my time to do things, and I believe that I'm a perfectionist. So I don't leave things until they are done completely. So when I take too much time, I think that you start
Barging into it.
scolding me or something like that to do that. So I think that can be a little hard on me.
So what I feel is you're too less on time. You're almost overtime on everything that you need to do. You are so slow at doing things that it gets on to me कि खत्म कब होगा? And when will you jump on to the next task? It's not like आओ खत्म किया चलो आओ खत्म. You will stay there for days doing that one thing.
What goes in your mind at that time when you're doing that?
I think that I'll be able to finish that thing at my own pace. And what happens is that when you tell me to do something and which I'm already doing, now I don't want to do that.
Okay, so you can always do that thing is tell me that you're doing that and give me a deadline कि इतना दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा. That never happens.
Okay.
है ना? You're always like हो रहा है, कर रहा है. 2 महीने से कर रहा है. खत्म करो.
Would you say, Neha, that he should prioritize better?
Yeah, more than prioritization, it is time management. So if it is a holiday, he'll not wake up by 10, washroom and breakfast done by 1, so half of your day is gone. If you're building something up, the market time is gone. You start your market ka kaam at 5-6 o'clock in the evening. You come back by 7. When is the time left to do? If I had to score you, I'll give you a 0 on time management.
If we were characters in a movie, what genre would it be? And what
Oh my God.
and who would be the dramatic one?
So it would be an action movie for sure.
Why an action movie?
Drama action movie. So our house is a chalta firta action movie. One is screaming from here, the other is screaming from here. There's some drama happening, something somewhere else. It is definitely going to be an action-packed drama movie. Full, complete masala Bollywood blockbuster kind of. Yeah.
And who would be the dramatic one?
Dadi. Nahin, in fact, I.
Yes.
Or him, the younger one. Nahin, he'll be the
He'll be
action
the-
star.
He'll also be the
action.
silent one.
Nahin, he'll not be the silent one. He and you would be screaming first of all.
What does their father play a role of?
So he goes down to dilute things off, but he puts fuel into it and comes back. And he himself is bursting then. So yes, drama would be from me and Dadi. And action, all the rest four of you.
Main character?
Main character, these two. Always.
Even in your life?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. From waking them up to making them sleep is a task.
Do you enjoy that?
No, never. Matlab, without 10 rounds to their room, they are not waking up. And without 10 verbal assaults from my room, they are not leaving to sleep. Right?
If you say so.
If you say so, I literally have to push them off. कि अब 12 से ऊपर हो गया जाओ सो.
When you were a child, what time did you used to sleep?
8:30. After that was a no way wala zone. And if we have not woken up by 8:30 in the morning, all the curtains were out, my mom would be cleaning the room. कि अब तो उठ ही जाएगी.
Fan off.
फैन तो शिलोंग फैन चाहिए ही नहीं. Kambal off. You've had too good a life. What's one of your habits that makes me roll my eyes but secretly smile?
When I play kiddish games in your phone.
Yes. Oh yes.
My mother has really boring and childish games on her phones. So I usually open them and play them when I'm bored, even though they're boring. So
And every time he sees me playing, he'll go, क्या बच्चा का गेम खेल रहा है? क्या बच्चा का गेम खेल रहा है? There's one more thing, I guess, where when I am getting a little hyper, so I am just 5 feet. He's around 6. So if he's standing next to me, he's like towering over me. तो the moment एक तो पहले ही वो ऐसे देख के तो डांटा ही नहीं जाता है. So if I ever start to get a little hyper, go mama. Mama, he does that. So yes.
That's nice. To make your mom calm down.
So after that, it's actually gone. It's actually gone. कि छोड़ो.
अब क्या करें? Good strategy.
when you say I've done nothing all day, how do you want me to respond in a way that helps you understand my pace?
So I say you've done nothing all day, almost every day.
Yes.
है ना? Because you are in that position. So what happens when I think of you working on the machine or something? I expect you to be standing there and doing that. On the other hand, I see you laying on the bed with your laptop and doing something which is totally भैंस के आगे बीन बजाने वाला बात types. है ना?
Mhm.
So I think you better tell me that what you have done the whole day. Instead of just brushing it off कि कर रहे ना. Instead, if you let me know how far you've been into it, what have you achieved for the day, I'll not tell you the next day to do it.
Mhm.
कि हम यही तो कर रहे हैं. Not that. Just lay out what you've done.
Okay.
So I'll not ask you only.
How would you want to tell her?
Yeah, I guess I would tell her from the next time what I have done.
Yeah, just tell me कि अब ये कर चुका है. आज ये किया है.
Yes.
What do you think I still don't get about how your generation handles stress or pressure?
So what I think is that the things which I'm working on are totally different. It may not you may not know about those things properly. So when I'm stressed about something, so usually you don't understand the thing which I'm stressed about. So that's why.
Yeah, I agree. I don't understand what you're doing because it's completely new to me. I know zero about it. But if you tell me about it, कि ये मेरे से ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है, I'll understand also na. But you're generally not telling me about it. So what I can feel the major issue here is communication, where you're not telling me things, and where I want to probe into you. Ki what are you doing? So that probing happening is getting onto you. And you not telling me anything is getting on to me.
अगर आपको मम्मी लोग को like if you had to tell your mom here there's something that she does very differently when she's taking stress and the way you take it, what would that be?
So I think that when I take stress, I usually don't take much stress about things. I usually wake up at night late to do complete things or something. But when they do take stress, I can see visibly that they are in.
We are very visible about it.
Yes.
I think then your mom says it right that if you communicate unka stress will come
Yeah.
and you'll be also.
If you just let us know what is happening, so we would stress less. यहाँ कर रहे हैं, नहीं भी हो रहा है तो बता दो नहीं हो रहा है, तो we would stress differently about it कि नहीं हो रहा है, है ना?
Yeah. If we had a weekly movie night and I got to choose the lineup, what would you ban from my list?
No, I would not ban anything from your list because I don't think you're watching too much of any kind of movie that I would not want you to watch. Yeah, I don't think I would ban you from anything. If I allow you all to choose, I know I would be watching only action movies mostly, I guess, with you and Papa taking the and him too. Yeah, all three of you would be watching action movies a lot. And I would be sleeping then. There would be no movie night for me then.
So what would you want to watch?
I would rather not. I would ban action movies. Those hardcore action movies, yes. KGF wala types.
What would you like to watch?
I'm open with all kinds of movies, yes. But those hardcore action movies where there's only market the whole time. No.
There's a deeper meaning behind it.
There's no deeper meaning behind it. No deeper meaning.
I agree with you, mom.
Yeah. No deeper meaning behind all those market. Well, you watch a movie to feel happy, to feel connected. You just want to have a good time and come out of it. है ना? Where you forget कि ये stress है life में. Movie is supposed to be that way. Eat your popcorn, have your cold drink, enjoy the movie and come back. Market where you take it back. हाय राम ये क्या हो गया वाला types movie नहीं.
Movies like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Oh yes, but you guys are not made for it.
What?
No, your one zindagi is more than enough.
What do you think she'll ban though?
She'll definitely ban action movies.
Anything else?
And I don't think she would ban, but she would insist on watching things like horror movies, I think.
Yeah, I would. I love those.
Do you like that?
I don't watch horror movies, but I can.
Yeah, he can give me
I'm not
company for
scared,
that. Yeah, for sure. We've done 1 or 2 horror movies, na?
Who gets more scared in all 4 of you?
All 4 of us.
My father and my brother.
Father, definitely. You just hum that. If you know about Ahat, I don't think.
I remember, yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
So if we just hum that Ahat wala note in front of him, na, he's gone. But yes, I think comedy movies are something that we enjoy the most. है ना?
Yes.
Yeah. When do you feel the most emotionally safe with me? What helps you open up?
I feel that I'm the most emotionally safe with you whenever I want to talk to you about something or you want to talk to me about something, and usually at all times, and the things which help me open up are when instead of scolding me, you ask me things. So that helps me open up.
See, I'm always open for a talk, but you hardly come to talk.
What stops you from going to your mom to talk about things?
Because I think that she'll get irritated.
Why will I
about
get
things.
irritated? I'll not get irritated about things if you want to come and talk to me about it. I get irritated when you're not talking to me about it. You know, when I want to know things and you're not. In fact, there are things that I know of which are true and you're still hiding it from me, and I know that you're hiding it from me. So these are the things which actually trigger me off. Sacha, bata do na.
Okay.
It will be good to talk to only. And you know I have not stopped you from anything ever.
आप क्या चाहते हो मम्मी की रिस्पॉन्स कैसे हो जब भी आप आओ बात करें?
Just say if I say that I have not done anything or I was not able to do anything the whole day, so like not getting irritated about that thing or not scolding me. Or
बट उस जगह में आपको भी तो वो चीज़ कम करना पड़ेगा.
मतलब वो काम खत्म ही कर लो ना इससे अच्छा. Because you're running behind on everything right now. There's hardly any time left for you to finish them. Finish कर लो, खत्म करो. You have time and time on your hands.
How often do you ask help from your parents?
very
less.
rarely, I think.
Very rarely.
Why?
They're not capable of helping,
No.
na?
Do you think they'll not understand?
Yeah, mostly.
Why is that?
I think they'll. I don't think that they'll not understand, but I usually don't.
किस लिए? वही पूछ रहा हूँ. Not like I'm asking you to say it, but
Yes.
why don't you do that?
Why don't you do that? Even I want to know. In fact, I'll tell you something. Even for minor things where you need something, you'll not come up and tell us about it. Both of us. Why? He is someone who has hundreds of those things and will still ask for a new one. And whereas you, even if you don't have one piece, you'll not ask for it. Come over, tell us. ये नहीं हमको ये चाहिए. या ये मन है ये लेना है. You've never ever come directly and asked for anything. So if you open up, things will be easier.
Yes.
But आपको क्या चीज़ रोकता है?
No reason. Just.
Do you think that मम्मी पापा को ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस हो जाएगा या फिर वो लोग फालतू का टेंशन लेंगे? ऐसा कुछ चलता है?
Yeah.
और ये
mostly,
सिर्फ बचकाने बातें हैं, छोटी बातें हैं. Are these the things?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, I'll make sure for next time.
Please.
I'll tell you one thing. In all of my life, I have been that person that you are who doesn't share that much because, again, my brother was very open to share his own things and be that person कि हाँ मेरा हमको हक से लेना है and everything like that. One thing that I've recently realized is everything that I was going through was also important for my parents to know.
Yes.
I think this is one of the most beautiful bonds that you can create with any of your parents. I'm not saying it can be your dadi also, anybody, but have that person. वो reliability जैसी आ जाएगी ना तो life थोड़ी सी और easy हो जाती है. And इस moment में जब आप इतनी बड़ी steps ले रहे हो और जब आप 18 के हो जाओगे, देखना है बीच में एक वो भी आएगा जहाँ पे पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे कि आप बड़े भी हो गए हो छोटे भी हो, बड़े भी हो गए छोटे भी हो, तो फिर आप कहाँ जाके बात करोगे? And I know it's not comfortable to talk about things that you're going through or what's happening, but give it a shot. And the way he said, right? उन्होंने इसने बोल दिया अभी मम्मी को कि आप ये मत करना, या फिर मम्मी को बोल दूंगा कि आप कंपेयर कर रहे हो. सेम चीज़ आप भी कर सकते हो. डायरेक्टली बोल देना मम्मी को कि मम्मी अभी आप सुन नहीं रहे हो. Have that.
Just open up a bit. That's it.
हाँ, start small. As you say, start small.
Open up a bit. Once you start opening up, things will flow.
स्टार्टिंग में ऊपर नीचे होगी थोड़ी, क्योंकि अभी आप लोग नए बॉन्ड बनाओगे, बट वो रेगुलर होते होते दोनों को समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्या चाहिए, कैसे बात करना है. ऐसा होता है ना घर में बहुत बार कि मूड देख के बात करना पड़ता है कि किससे क्या मांगना है. वही चीज समझ में आ जाएगा. Didn't want to digress, but just wanted to share that.
नहीं, thank you so much.
What makes you stressed most about my future, and what do you think it's more about me or your expectations?
About your future, what I feel is, how will you handle things on your own? मतलब till now, where you need someone to even wake you up on time and push you out of the washroom and send you to. How will you manage that when you're alone? Where every single action needs someone to hover around you. Kaise? Once you sleep, you're like in another world. A bomb blast would also not wake you up.
Yes.
So waking up on time, doing your job, managing to do that.
So I guess by time I
When?
make some mistakes after.
Time, you're almost out of time. That's what I'm saying. You're still not making a habit of time management. Where I need to sleep, I need to wake up. Alarm बज रहा है तो सुन रहे कि alarm बज रहा है.
Mhm.
Alarm बज के कहाँ का कहाँ. You are still there. So stop being a little less lazy.
Mhm.
That would keep us thoda sa laid back. Yes, he can manage.
Mhm.
Because as yet you cannot. It's more not on our expectations, I say. It is more on you learning how to handle things on your own.
Mhm.
ठीक है? You don't take stress about things. ठीक है? You don't need us to solve your problems, but you just doing your basic daily needs. As yet you are not capable. हाँ खाना बना लिया खा लिया, that's a different thing. Yes, you can manage that. But basically time management. We'll be stressed every single minute. पहुंचा नहीं पहुंचा, उठा नहीं उठा, सोया नहीं सोया.
Mhm.
And be responsive on your phone, please.
Yes.
What's one way you think I could support your independence more as you are growing up?
I think you're already supporting my independence, but for supporting it more,
Is there anything that she can do to help you more?
I think I'm listening a less to you. Where you're talking, I'm not giving attention to it.
okay.
Okay, matlab, are you not realizing that? Are you not thinking that is true?
Yes, that is.
You know?
Hmm.
Sometimes I feel I neglect on what you just said and went off. I've heard, but I haven't actually heard it.
Hmm. Yes.
Hmm?
Mhm.
But ये independence पे कोई support नहीं हुआ. How could I? So I'm supporting well enough. है ना? If you don't want any other support from me. Hmm?
Mhm.
If not independence, is there anything else that you want her to support you with?
No.
Okay.
Good support I give you, na?
Maybe stressing a little less.
That cannot just happen. You need to make it. I just told you how to make it go away. Finish things. Tell me on your update me on your progress. That's it. I'll stress less
Yes.
and manage your time. क्योंकि ऐसे तो नहीं होगा stressless.
You both have to support each other at this.
Yes.
If you had to write a tagline for our family WhatsApp group, what would it be?
It's already there. Mom's the boss.
Something different, maybe.
Help?
Help desk.
No.
It's
There
a
was-
tagline.
हाँ तो there was this one line ना, united by something. क्या था? किसका था ये? I'll go for a cheeky one. There for each other forever and always. Something like that, yeah. But I wanted it to be a little funnier.
Okay.
It's not. Can you help? So, what's one thing I do that makes you laugh even in tense moments? You don't need
So
to look
what-
at me to think about that.
what you do is that you're very expressive, so sometimes your expressions make me laugh.
Example.
For example, if somebody said something very absurd, then just seeing your face would make me laugh.
इतना expressive तो नहीं है हम. So, is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's an enjoyable thing. What's something about me that's changed in the past year, and how do you feel about that shift?
So, the past year I've seen you become a little more responsible. You've taken up many responsibilities. It makes me feel good about you also, but it makes me stress. It stresses me out as well. Ki how will you manage everything? All that load on your shoulders. It's definitely a moment of pride,
Yes.
You are being able to do so much. You've been able to achieve so much, but it stresses out definitely कि आगे कैसे manage होगा.
Mhm.
So yeah, feels good seeing you grow, seeing you learn. When do you feel like I'm holding something back from you emotionally, and how do you usually respond?
So sometimes when I don't get what you're saying, then you say chodo and like don't tell me what's the thing. So I usually respond by asking what happened. Tell me,
नहीं,
tell
you
me
never
what-
come to
Yes.
ask. You always laid back. उसके बाद छोड़ो ना, नहीं बता रहे तुझको.
No,
Yeah.
sometimes I do. Yeah, so
Sometimes you do, yeah.
so instead of doing chodo, you can tell me.
You can also come and ask ना कि
Oh,
हुआ क्या.
why?
If I'm not being able to express it to you,
Hmm.
you can come and ask ना, मम्मा हुआ क्या?
Yes.
ये.
But why do chodo in the first place?
Sometimes you feel like ना कि you should not be troubling. I should not be troubling you with it. Maybe that's why the छोड़ो ना comes.
Okay. If we had a fake fight in public just for fun, what would it be about and who would win?
So it would be about you both fighting, I think. First of all,
Fake fight. Okay.
between me and you ना.
Hmm.
It would be about both of you fighting, I think. First of all, उसके बाद तो तुम्हारा काम के ऊपर होगा. And it would be very loud and entertaining for sure. And who would win? Definitely you both would win, because none of you listen to me. I would छोड़ो ना and go. You both would continue. है ना?
Yes.
होगा तो यही definitely. Fake fight में fight would turn into original only.
No, but you could win.
When?
If you
I'm waiting for that moment.
if you do
Fake
chodo
fight
na,
में जिता दो.
and then we both would think that you're upset and then
Even then you would both. He would not stop, definitely. What's one thing about being your mom that challenges me, but also makes me proud?
I think that the thing that I'm taking too much responsibilities and I'm acting in many roles, many things at one time. So I think that can
Yeah,
yes.
we just talked about it. Yeah, it definitely challenges me also. You know, proud though, I'll think about it. I'll get everything sorted.
Mhm.
Then I'll think if it's making me proud or not. You know?
Yes. Do you think you sometimes overpower my judgments or try to guide them? Yes.
Yes. So, if you're saying yes, I might be doing that, yes. But what I feel is I try to guide them also कि ऐसे कर लो, ऐसे कर लो, ऐसे कर लो. But then I think I get frustrated and say कि you're not going to listen to me anyways.
Yes. And when you get frustrated, then I have to do what you told me.
Do you also guide the good judgments that you might have?
Yeah, of course. We always discuss everything and decide what to do and what not to do in the house. He says he feels left out. But yes, with him, we do talk about everything. So, should I be overpowering a little or not?
A little less.
A little less? I'm already doing it so less. But then I feel like अब सोचना पड़ेगा.
Do you think you are allowed to make mistakes?
Yes, I am.
सोचना क्यों पड़ा इस बारे में बताओ तो?
You should give everything a thought.
Before responding. Good one. Good one.
नहीं, you're always allowed to make mistakes.
Yes.
है ना? If something goes haywire, we are always there.
Mhm.
So, what's one moment in the last few months when I surprised you in a good way?
What's something that your mom did which was surprising for you?
Like nowadays, I feel that you're more supportive and you can.
Maybe that comes with the age.
Yes.
where you have not my age, maybe your age, where you've started to understand me.
Okay.
है ना?
Hmm.
Where you feel that yeah, what I'm doing is not wrong actually.
Mhm.
I've been supportive all along. You've started to understand that of me.
Okay. How do I know that?
You have your intelligence enough to understand that.
Okay, if you say so. If you had to describe me using a recipe, what ingredients would I be made of?
Oh my god, bhujjo lokya. For sure.
Why?
Because that mirchi comes in between, na? You would be something sweet and spicy. I would not call you chaat, so I am. You are not. You would be a very boring chaat.
Chili hot chocolate.
हाँ, actually, में.
What's that?
That's a drink.
Chili hot.
Chili hot chocolate. He's actually that. Yes, I agree. Where you're trying to be sweet and calm and composed from the top, but that mirchi hits you for sure. Complete this sentence. Even if we disagree, I will never stop.
I'll never stop considering your opinion or what you said,
Oh wow.
or trying to give it a thought or something to see if it works out, to see if actually I'm wrong.
Chalo, good to know this. Thank you. नहीं तो it would always have been छोड़ो. Like what?
And if you had to complete that sentence?
I'll never stop believing in you, that you can actually achieve what you have thought of, and be there with you shoulder to shoulder wherever, whenever. Even if you're wrong, be there with you.
Do you guys share secrets?
I ask, but he never reveals.
Do you have your own secrets?
I think they know everything about me.
No, I mean both of you.
So both of us, amongst us, I think no.
Do you think
Like-
there should be?
Yeah, there
Yeah,
should be from some people. Yes.
But I think my brother's so intrusive. He gets
Yeah, he actually gets into it. There's no space left for just us being us.
I think you can have it with both.
Yeah.
You both can have some. I'm sure that you both
Yeah,
have
yeah,
some.
absolutely.
100%.
There are things, there are times when it comes. हम बताएंगे. It happened a few minutes back also, I guess.
I think you can have it with him as well and with him as
Yeah.
well.
नहीं सिर्फ मेरे से तो होगा ही नहीं. The moment it will happen here, it will go there. So yeah.
But how was it? How was this whole experience for both of you? Talking
Very
to each
nice, very nice. An eye opener at places where I thought I was doing everything right. You understand?
What about you? Sorry?
Yes, the same thing. I got to know in what things I should improve, what I've been doing right.
That's also positive, I guess. Yeah.
Mm,
Knowing what you're doing right is also very important
Yeah.
at times.
nice.
nonetheless-
Very nice experience. Yes. Thank you for it.
No, I'm glad. I really want to commend one thing to you, Neha, that you were so open to even accept the things that you are doing wrong.
Yeah.
I mean, because as human beings right now, whatever is going on around the world, everybody wants to be perfect. But
No
I
one
think
is.
perfectionism also comes with a lot of wrong.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
showing that as a parent takes a lot of guts, and you did that today, and I applaud that. Even for you, Shaurya, I'll say this that you were really open to actually answer questions. Even you, I'm really happy to see that कि इतनी involvement हो सकती थी, इतनी openly आप लोग बात कर पा रहे थे. I think that's very important.
So I've made it a point that we at least talk on things, all kind of things. If we are sitting and talking, we are talking. I've spoken to absurd things, spoken about absurd things to them.
I'm glad because one of the things that my parents also have done is I think कि हर चीज के लिए इवन इफ ना है तो ओपन रहना जरूरी है.
Yeah.
Like कि सुन तो ले बच्चे क्या बोल रहे हैं.
Exactly.
And I think that's one thing that you have been doing, and I think that's very important.
मतलब ना क्यों है, you should be knowing that.
Even a kid needs to
Yeah.
know that.
कि अगर ना आ रही है तो क्यों आ रही है.
Absolutely. I think बहुत बार बच्चे नहीं भी मानेंगे शायद, but at least पता तो रहेगा कि हाँ क्यों ना है.
Yeah.
If that's
True,
it.
I agree.
I think that also helps them set a level, set a base, neutrality and everything. But yeah, I really enjoyed being in this side as well, because it's so good to see the bond that you have with both of your kids.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Thank you for
Really
doing
cherish
this.
it. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Okay, great.